So the first step to make this bunny is you're going to need a hardcover book. Mine is 273 pages. It doesn't have to be exactly that, something within that range. I'm going to take the dust cover off just so it's easier to work with. And I'm going to start on a page where I can have the full text on one side of it, just because I like that texture and that look of the book as my background. And then what I'm going to do is I cut out this template to match my book. So I just went ahead and I did two curves, one slightly smaller and then one slightly wider for the stomach of the bunny. And then I'm going to trace my template into my book, like so. Now, there's two ways to do this. You can use an X-Acto knife, or you can use scissors. It's just really personal preference. So, I'm going to cut probably about 7-8 pages at a time. And I'm going to cut and don't be afraid to move the book around as you're cutting. It makes it a lot easier. And you're going to save some of these pages because you're going to need them for the sweet feet and for the ears. But we'll get to that later. So you're going to go ahead and you're going to continue cutting this all the way until you get, again, to the end where I'm going to make sure that it's a full size of print. Now make sure that, especially if you're using your scissors, that you don't keep on using this one. Go ahead and always go back to your template, just so that it doesn't slightly get off each time. This is such a fun project. If you like this look, you can check out my other videos. I have a very similar one with a teddy bear and a snowman. Same technique. And comes out just as sweet. So don't forget to check those out. While I'm doing this, it would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any of the weekly tutorials. They're always related to book folding or upcycled book page art. And if you wouldn't mind commenting below on what tutorials would you like to see next. That's always really helpful to know what my viewers want, and then I'll go ahead and very often create the tutorial. And if it's your idea, I will give you a little shout out. So I will continue cutting out my sweet bunny. And then, oops. And then I'll show you how to add all the extras that turn this into such a sweet, sweet spring or Easter craft. Once you've cut all your pages, you'll have the body finished. I did go back, if you were using, especially if you were using scissors, you might have some pencil marks that you just want to go back and quickly just erase and so you don't see it. So the next step is going to be the ears. Now I saved some of the pages from when we were cutting them out. And I'm going to take them and I'm just going to glue this together just so that this will be a little bit thicker. So, also, while I do that, another purpose is I'm going to be sticking a piece of wire, floral wire, inside the ear. And there's two reasons for that. One, to attach it to the book, and one so that we can give it a little bit of shape as well. I'm going to stick that in there. And then I'm going to do the same thing for our other ear. I'm just cutting down so I can get, because I want the text part to be showing. Again, I'm just going to glue this together. Put my wire in. I'm just sandwiching that right in, like so. Now I went ahead and I drew a template of the ear. Now I made the ear just a little bit bigger than the size of the head. And then I just curved it around like so. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw my template of my ear. If you want to make one ear flap over, you could do that as well. And then I'm just going to cut out my two ears at the same time. Like so. So now we have our two ears. Make sure you erase any marks on there. Now I want the inside of my ear, this inside part right here, to be a little bit pink. I just want to add a little bit of color. So I'm going to go ahead and grab some paint and do that. Acrylic paint. You don't need a whole lot. You really just want a little bit because you want to be able to see through it. So I'm just very lightly putting this on. And then I'll just do the same thing on my other ear. And it just gives it a little bit of extra color, especially with the springtime. So just like so. And then we're going to go ahead and add some glue. You could do this with hot glue as well. Really not necessary though. Just using regular white glue. And then we're going to go ahead and add our ear in. Like so. other ear in. Like so. And now because we have the wire, if you want, very carefully, you can bend them a bit, like so. That way they're not just sticking there, they're kind of have some body to them. So as you can see, now the page that I put them in, what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue that page to the other page so that there's no chance of seeing that green wire. Just kind of tucks it in there a little bit. It kind of holds it in place a little better too. So once you have those positioned, there we go. I like it like that. Now we're going to add a little nose. So I went ahead and I cut this shape out of an extra book page. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that nose again, and this time I'm going to take some whiskers. It's just this black string, and I'm going to bead it through my nose, since it is bead, like so. Get some glue in the middle, cut another one. You can't get another piece of string, depending on the size of the hole of your bead, which I don't think I'll be able to do. That's fine. I'll just glue it behind the bead. There's always more than one way to do everything. Dab it with that E6000. So, and then I'm going to put it on the top of the cheeks, like so. And then if you wanted to add a little bit of your pink paint, if you still had that out, just give it a little bit of blush. Totally up to you. And then once that's dry, give that a little bit to dry. And then we will add it to our bunny. Now I'm doing this while it's wet, which is not ideal at all. But I think that's really cute. And then you could trim up your whiskers. They don't need to be so crazy long. And just go ahead and let everything just set.